Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel, please. On the menu today, we're going to make sweet potato soup. It is absolutely delicious. It doesn't take long. It's wonderful. We've got some lovely spices in there. It's vegetarian, it's healthy, and this one is vegan. Let's get on with it. So let's take a look at what we have here. Sweet potato. I've got 2 sweet potatoes there, and I've not peeled it. What I've done is I'll just give it a bit of a scrub and cut off any little kind of bad bits, but yeah, keeping the skin on. Carrots, some regular potato. You know, you need a little bit of regular potato in this. This just kind of helps it, along with the carrots, to kind of smooth out nicely. 1 onion, tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, sweet paprika that is, and half a teaspoon or thereabouts of chili powder. You can adjust those as much as you want. This is super easy. We're going to add some salt and pepper, some oil, and of course some water. Okay, so you're going to need a large pot with a lid. I've dropped some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. You could use something different if you want. Right, here we go. This is easy. Onion, the carrots, the regular potato, the sweet potato. Medium heat, throw this around in the pan for about 5 or 6 minutes. We're going to add the other ingredients, that's the spices and the garlic then. Like I say, this is super easy and super delicious. Okay, so vegetables are still really hard, but they're on their way. Let's get in that chili powder and paprika, the cumin powder and oregano, the garlic. Also now going to add some salt. You can adjust this a bit later as well. Some black pepper. And then I'm going to add water. If you want, you could add stock or something like that if you wanted, but I think we've got enough flavours there just for the water to work really well. So I've just covered it. Bring that to the boil. And then keep it on a rolling boil for about 15 minutes. What we want is a kind of baby food, really super soft vegetables. I'll see you then. Okay, off goes the heat. Let me let some steam out of there so it doesn't get all on the camera. And let's take a look. Look, super soft, super soft. Everything's really soft in there. Right, we need to liquidize this now. Now I've got one of these fellas here that goes in and off it goes. Now, if you don't have one of these, you should get one because they're really cheap. You can use it for loads of different things. I use it loads of stuff in the kitchen. Otherwise, what you can do is put it into a food blender or kind of, you know, a Robo Chef or something like that. Let me do that. Back in a moment. Okay. Beautiful consistency. If it was too thick, you could add a bit more water to it, but yeah, I like it just like that. Check that for salt and pepper. I've just tasted it. It's perfect for me. What I'm going to do is drop in some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Give that a mix and we're done. You've got a really beautiful sweet potato soup with a little bit of a kick. And there you go, absolutely delicious. If you wanted, you could add some cream on there, keeping this nice and vegan. For all you vegans out there, if you wanted, a little bit of coconut milk mixed in, that could be beautiful. I'm happy just how that is. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. That helps us out a great deal. Do give us a thumbs up and leave us a message. Let us know how you're doing. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.